LGPS down a further 55.7% in the regular session of today, the 16th of May 2025. Let's see. Yesterday we covered it. It was down and still losing ground. Hasn't been around for a long time. Upper projection we have is still, I believe we saw that yesterday, 5.01 dollars. There's no guarantee that that will pan out. No extrapolations. It hasn't been around for a long time. 45-minute chart. Is there anything? No extrapolation here as well. 5.16 on the 45-minute chart. Let's see. We're not going to see anything on the daily chart, that we. Let's see. No, no, nothing there. Yeah, lost more ground again. Well, at some point it's going to find a bottom, but it's this is quite a lot. So it may not be a sharp rebound. It may just be a contraction of this extreme price action. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to LHSW. LHSW down 54.39%. Okay, it hasn't been around for a long time as well. Hasn't been around long enough. Let's see our upper projections. We have 1.84 only. As of yesterday, there were a lot more: 1.84, 2.06, 2.4, and 2.88. Yeah, today, not even yesterday, just 4 hours ago. As of the open of today's trading session, it had more upper projections. Okay, so hasn't been around for a long. It hasn't been around long enough. No extrapolations. Not enough data. Okay, has received non-binding letter of intent for $27.6 billion investment from Chinese fund. Okay, that was 4 days ago. Yeah, those are the projections we have on this 4 hour chart. There might be other projections. Let's see where we can. Let's look at a 30-minute chart. Is there any? Okay, now here we have extrapolation is indicating that we're still gonna get lower prices. Yeah, we could just quickly have a look at LGPS. We might find what the extrapolation is saying here. LGPS, okay, it's saying that based on this 30-minute chart, it's indicating that maybe there might be a brief, it might decline further and then pivot from there. So this will be up till Monday the 19th. There's no guarantee that this will be the case. So just be careful. Yeah, there are other projections here: 2.32, 2.76, and 3.04. Okay, let's have a look at ZENV. Let's see, down 31.62%. Let's see. Okay, contraction is expected. This is its ZENV. This is its 30-minute chart. Upper projections on this 30-minute chart: 1.37, 1.4, and 1.6. Let's see whether it has been around, whether it has enough data. Okay, it has enough data. So contraction in the coming days, and then after that, maybe you might pick up some strength by towards the end of this month. Yeah. So contraction is expected to okay, well, yeah, contraction is expected to maybe begin by Monday. So from this extrapolation, it seems to have found a bottom. Let's see. Let's come down to its daily chart and see if there's any confirmation. No, we have extrapolation to the downside here. So lower prices are expected up till up till the end, towards the end of towards the end of June, towards the end of June. So it's not positive at all for ZENV, not positive. But these are extrapolations. There's no guarantee that this will happen, and yeah, there's no guarantee this will happen. So just be careful. I'm not saying just be careful. No guarantee it will happen, and this is not an advice at all as well. In terms of upper projections, we have $2, 2.31, 2.49. A day, is it what we saw now? Yeah. Okay. No. 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 Those were from yesterday. The currently the projections. There are no upper projections. We have downward projections. 0.0581, 0.3719, 0.8800. So those are the down. It has downward projections, nothing to the upside. Let's see. Let's see what they have filed here. Is it okay? Reported multifold widening in its Q4 net loss and a sharp decline in its adjusted earnings before interest tax depreciation and amortization on Friday. Shares slumped 24% as intraday trading volume rose to 900,000 versus the daily average of 76,000. Okay, wide reported multi-fold widening in its Q4 net loss. Okay, that's probably explains why the extrapolation is for yet more, yet weaker prices, yet lower prices. Let's have a look at URGN. U URGN down 27.82. URGN. Okay, here we have contraction is expected to play out with a slight bias to the upside. Yeah, so it's a more of an accumulative contraction that is expected. This will be from Tuesday. No, this will be from Wednesday, from Tuesday. Yeah, is it Tuesday? Let's see. Is it from Wednesday? Actually, yeah, from Wednesday. It might begin to contract. So by Monday and Tuesday, it may still print lower prices. May still print lower prices. In terms of projections, we have upper projections 12.61 and 13.74, 14.45. Those are not recommendations. There's no guarantee that they will print. Let's look at the 4 hour chart. Okay, here we have yeah, the reverse is the case here. It's projecting we're gonna have a very steep recovery, very steep recovery. This will be this may be from Monday. So, and yes, yet again, this is not a recommendation, and there's no guarantee it will happen. Upper projection of 7.18 on this 4 hour chart for UR URGN. Let's see whether we can find the news. URGN falls to 52-week low. FDA document indicates cancer drug study disagreement. Okay, let's see. URGN shares fell 52 to 52-week low after an FDA document indicated disagreements with the company about certain aspects of studies of bladder cancer drug UGN-102. FDA posted a briefing document for Wednesday's advisory committee meeting. The agency said that because the Envision trial lacked a concurrent control arm, the primary endpoints of complete response and duration of response are difficult to interpret. The agency said it recommended a randomized trial design several times. Okay, URGN said in April, as of 26th of that month, that updated results from a study of UGN-102 for recurrent low-grade intermediate risk non-muscle invasive bladder cancer demonstrated a compelling probability of remaining in complete response of 80.6% at 18 months in patients who achieved a complete response at 3 months. Because the company has noted that the existing standard of care for LG-IR-NMIBC is transurethral resection of bladder tumor. Many of these patients are elderly and face the burden of repeated surgeries under general anesthesia, highlighting the urgent need for innovative treatment options. Okay, so that's what's going on. Yeah, I can imagine why this one is down. However, a sharp rebound is expected on the 4 hour chart. No guarantee that that will be the case. That's no recommendation. On the daily chart, it's more of a contraction. So I would say, yeah, pretty much they are pretty much in line. The extrapolations on the 4 hour and the daily chart for URGN, they're pretty much in line. So see what you make of these two stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.